Where are we going, Homie? We have to find a place.
Where are we?
Guys, we just landed on an island. We don't know where we are.
Oh my gosh. There's nothing like all we used to play.
We were trying to go to Mexico. We were trying to go to Mexico, but it just didn't work out. The plane just crashed.
Where are we?
Where are we? Are we like in the jungle or something?
But what state? What country? Where?
Okay, let's go. Just we have to find somewhere.
Ah!
Let's go.
I'm coming.
We have to find shelter for the night. You never know what might be out here. At least once Logan survived. But I don't think he'll be any help. What is that?
Ew! It's gooey. Ah!
Okay, let's go. Start cutting down some trees.
Okay. I don't think nothing scary would be at night. Just animals.
You never know.
Those fake stuff. They're not real. Right?
Never know what might be around these parks.
This is a strange place.
Oh, duh. I haven't even been.
I don't think anybody knows about this because there's no one here.
Well, duh. Common sense.
Ah! Ah!
Okay, now just being a free cat. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, keep cutting. Okay. We have to hurry.
Tonight's gonna be a bad night.
How you know? Have you been around here?
No. No one's even around here. How would I know?
Okay. Let's start going to get a shelter.
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
We have to clear out all this.
I'll keep the predators away.
At least we found some tools in the trash can before we parachute it out.
Yeah. In the emergency kit. But there was nothing much. What is that?
Get 'em.
Blue something?
How do you know their name?
They're blue. Ah!
There might be other people around. Maybe if we start making shelter, they might come.
Yeah. So they can have shelter. What is that?
Do you know how to make a fishing pole?
I think. Someone taught me on the plane. It was very boring, but I listened.
Then make one.
Okay. Okay, so...
Make a wooden one since, well, that's cool.
I think I have this. Here it is. I'll make two for both of us.
Okay.
There we go. We're not gonna have no bait unless we catch butterflies, I think they're called. Like fireflies.
You have never heard of a butterfly.
one told me. You wouldn't let me sit next to you, so I sit next to the person all about fishing. Okay. What are you doing down there?
Well, when the water comes, the piranhas are gonna have to go somewhere.
Oh. Ah! They're coming from both sides! Oh, watch out! Uh-oh. There's water in our house now. Uh-oh. We're in trouble. No, we're not. You.
There you go.
Bad.
Oh man.
I'm coming.
I heard that sometimes piranhas eat hooks for some reason.
What?
Hooks, so we can maybe if we find some chains, we can.
Oh, no.
What? How did I come back to life?
That was weird.